Hi lovelies, my name is Terry with Organic Raw Roots Farm. In case you're new here, I want to welcome each and every one of you back to my channel. Today we're going to show you how I made a homemade 5-gallon bucket waterer for my turkeys. Okay, very simple project. All you need is a 5-gallon bucket with a lid. You can get it at Home Depots or Lowe's. You're gonna need a 3/8 drill bit, a drill, and an autofill cup, which I'm gonna leave my link from my Amazon down below in case you want to purchase them. They're very great for this simple do-it-yourself project. Okay, very simple. You're going to measure 1 inch from the bottom of the bucket, and then you're going to measure out the space of the autofill cups, and then you're just going to drill a hole. Make sure there's no little plastic pieces or anything before you screw in the autofill cup. Okay ladies, be careful and don't do what I did. I kind of moved the drill up and down a little bit in the hole, and my husband's like, no, don't do that. You're gonna make the hole bigger. So don't do as I did. Okay, so then you're just going to unscrew the wing nut from the autofill cup, and then you're going to slowly screw the autofill cup into the bucket till it reaches a tightness, and then screw the wing nut back on from the inside of the bucket, and voila, you're done. And then just fill it up with water, and it does its magic. It is awesome. My turkeys love it. This is an awesome self-watering bucket if you have to leave town for a few days, or if you just have a lot of animals and you just have to constantly fill up the water bucket. This is great. I really love it. My turkeys love it. I cannot say enough about it. Well guys, thanks for hanging out with me. Thanks for coming and watching my video. I have a storm brewing and I need to get in. Thank you. Love you guys, and stay tuned for the next video. It's going to be a self-feeder. Bye bye. God bless.